Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video, what about I talk to you for how to fix the Epic Games launcher setup wizard ended promptly. Okay, now few methods try to this error fixing now. Okay, let's go ahead. And before that, like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe. And method is one by one follow to this problem fix it. Let's go ahead. First method restart. So go to that start menu, then power key press. Restart button click here to restart your system. After that, go to the next step. That step further and yes, admin that Epic Games. Then right click, then properties, then camp-ability mode. Selected the run this program camp-ability mode. Below run this program is hit the apply. After that, OK button click here to confirmation. OK, then close it. Again check it. Double tap to open it. Then again so the you will get this error. Then go to the next method. Then uninstall the Epic Games. So then go to the control panel. Then change category. Now uninstall program, click here, then go to that Epic Games, then right click to uninstall it. After that, come to back, then go to the next method, that task manager. It is most important method, so go to the task manager, then create new task, click here, then go to the browse, then go to that file location, then change it all files, then Epic Games MSI file selected, okay, Epic installer selected. After that, open, then OK button, click here. We have already run it, the new version is already installed. Okay, you are try this, you are installed the your Epic Games launcher. Thanks for watching, and like and comment this video. Don't forget to subscribe. This method working, then only like and comment and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any queries, please ask me anytime.